Question 5c. Basically the problem is going to be the sum up to 2n, take away the sum up to n. So we start by replacing our answer to b with 2n. And we get 2n brackets 6n plus 5 divided by 4, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2. And then our sum to n gives us 4, n plus 1, n plus 2. Now a cancellation will help us on our way. Cancel that 2 with those 2's. And now we have a common denominator. We have a 4, we have a 2n plus 1, we have an n plus 1, and we have an n plus 2. And then we have a look at what we've got on top, and we've got n 6n plus 5 multiplied by n plus 2. And then we have a look at what we have here, n times 3n plus 5 multiplied by 2n plus 1.
Patrick, just having a look around the room.
New page. We need a common factor of n, and then we have 6n plus 5, n plus 2, take away 3n plus 5, 2n plus 1. With the same denominator of 4, 2n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2. Common factor of n, 6n squared minus 12n plus 5n. And then we've got 6n squared plus 13n plus 5. And the same denominator. Question 5c. Basically what we're going to need to work out is the sum to 2n, take away the sum to n. If I substitute n is 2n in the answer to part B, I get 2n brackets 6n plus 5 over 4, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2. And now if I simply substitute the answer to part B, I get this. To make the common denominator a little bit easier, I cancel here, and that's now n plus 1. And the common denominator is 4, 2n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2. And then we check what's happening on top. We get n 6n plus 5 multiplied by n plus 2. Take away n brackets 3n plus 5, 2n plus 1. And on the next page, still the same denominator. We get n brackets 6n plus 5, n plus 2 then minus 3n plus 5, 2n plus 1. Still a common factor of n, 6n squared plus 17n plus 10, take away brackets 6n squared plus 13n plus 5, and the same denominator. Then we subtract like terms from the top, n still there, and we do indeed get 4n as the n term and 5 as a constant term, and it's all over 4, 2n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2, and the result is obtained.